In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to create a progress donor chart in Excel. First step is to input your percentage completed. In this case, let's use 45% completed. We still copy this 45% completed into the percentage completed. Next, we input the remainder. 1 minus percentage completed. Hit enter. Second step is to insert our chart. Under pie chart, we click donut. Now our donut chart have been added. We now do some basic editing. First, we let go of this legend because we do not need them. Second, we change our chart title to progress chart. Next, we don't need these white borders, so we are going to edit them out. Selecting the donut, we go to Format. Under Shape Outline, we choose No Outline. Now the white borders have gone. Next, let's edit our color series. First, we start with the percentage completed. We'll click on it, double click to make sure the percentage completed is selected. We go to Shapes and Fill and choose this color, green color. Click OK. We repeat the same process with the remainder series. Click on this. Click again to make sure it's selected. Go to Shape Fill. Let's choose this shape and click OK. Next, let's make our percentage completed series to stand out. We'll click on the chart, double click again to make sure it's selected. Go to Fields and Lines. Go to Borders, select Solid Lines. Make sure that our borders have the same color. Come here, select the color. And come under width. Let's increase the width to 10. And hit OK. Now our percentage completed has stood out. We can do the same with the remainder. Let's click on it. Double click again to make sure it's selected. Go to Fill and Lines. solid borders. Okay, so let's make sure we have the same color. Let's increase the width, make it thinner, say 7. Let's click OK. Now our donut chart have been created. Now let's make our chart to be interactive so that anytime we edit the percentage completed, it will show on this donut chart. Let's go back to Insert. First of all, let's select the chart. Go to Insert. Click on Text Box. Come here, create a text box. Come to Formula Bar. Type equal to. Let's select percentage completed and hit Enter. Now we can modify this by probably increasing our font height. You can as well modify our font. We can now position this as we want. Let's move this around and see that even the percentage completed moves in it with it. We don't need to group it again. Now let's check what we have done. Let's increase percentage completed to 65 and see if it will update. Now our percentage completed updates perfectly well. Let's try 75%. Okay. Our donut chart updates very well. With this, I'm sure by now you can now create a good looking donut chart. If you are liking this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, like it and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.